What we do here is go back.
So everybody knows how to do fidget spinner game. My other one, it doesn't light up. You will get that shipped to your house. But I don't know how long the shipping will take. So yeah. What else? Shit. Wait 1 second. I'll be right back. I looked in my mom's car. It wasn't there, so I'm thinking somebody stole it at school. Not sure, but whatever. I don't know. So yeah, if I can find my fidget spinner, like my blue camel one, then I'd probably do the fidget spinner giveaway. So yeah. So yeah, that's basically why I posted this video. And not a lot of people have been wondering, but none of you know this, but I just got my bike done from getting graphics. It looks sick. They're from Baker Graphics. They look awesome. I don't know if you can see that good, but let's see. Troy Daily design. Oh, Brewer. Same on the side. Dunlop on the back. Yeah. So, getting back. Wait. Technical difficulties. Okay, so getting back to the fidget spinner. Yeah, if you want one, just. Well, I think there's one person at my school that might have subscribed, so they might be getting it first, and that other girl that subscribed. So, yeah. So yeah, that's what I wanted to talk about in this video. So yeah, bye. Stay tuned for my new videos, and bye.